Carter Worth. All right, Carter, love to have you back on for this. And I'm sure this isn't unusual for stocks like this. You try to get in, they're moving against you. What's the play now?
Right. Well, so, this, what comes to mind, there's a great idiom in the English language. It's snatching victory from the jaws of defeat. You're not performing well in a political campaign or a sports season, that somehow you get the victory. What I've done, of course, is the exact opposite. I've reached deep down and snatched defeat from the jaws of victory, which is to say, everything was going great, been short forever. And I thought, let's cover this thing and nibble small long. It's not working. The stock is down, as you say, another 18 or 20% since then. The question is basically, is the oversold circumstance condition in effect? It was a week ago. It is now. And can one get a tradable bounce? That's my hunch. Again, not working. Probably would have been better, or certainly would have been better, just to stick with the short. But at this point, it's just so lopsided one way.
Yeah.
Everyone loved this thing, and now everyone hates it. And almost invariably in life, it's right to take the road less traveled. So not popular to be short when it was loved, and now not popular to be long when it's abhorred.
Right, which is usually a good, listen, this is why I love you. You could have been like, you know what, guys, I'm sick today. I'm not available. And yet you're like, sure, I'll come on and talk. I'll talk about what to do here, because these are the things investors grapple with every single day. Aswath Damodaran in last segment, don't know if you caught it, said the problem with Tesla is its exposure to a person and a personality and not a company right now. Now, you're not a fundamental investor, but you could imagine a major catalyst could be something like bringing in more management, adding a PR department. I don't know if it'll ever happen, but what else could be a catalyst, do you think, for the stock to move higher?
Well, it's interesting you mentioned that circumstance. Think about this, what is a great personality, but remember what happened in Apple. I mean, Steve Jobs, you couldn't have a bigger. He was pushed out. They brought in Jack Scully, who was running Pepsi, and literally, and he goes, I don't know anything about computers. They said, yeah, but you know a lot about business. And the first thing he did, he looked around and he said, I have my first act. I think we need to get rid of Steve Jobs. People are like, what? Sometimes it's the radical thing. I mean, Gerstner came in and IBM, they said, we got to get out of the computer business. They're like, what? Get out of the computer business? Meaning, so yes, obviously, would a Musk removal from the cult, the personality, would that be bullish or bearish? I don't really know. But certainly that could be a catalyst.
I like that you say you don't even know if it would be bullish or bearish, though. Kind of be careful what you wish for.
No. Well, here's the best one. That's the greatest question of all time. If Warren Buffett were to die, does the stock go up or down? Some people, I have asked this for 20 years, big institutional clients say, oh, goes down 5 to 10% first print. And other people say, no. It would be like, wait a minute, this thing's going to rally. They'll break this thing up. They'll all these new. So who knows? You can't know.